Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What happened? And today we are going to play Among Us. I know it sounds weird. We never play Among Us on the PC. Well, I gotta try and it worked. So we're going to, wait for people to come in and we can play Among Us. Among Us first video. Let's go. First video of Among Us. I like this hat. Oh yeah, there's also going to be a challenge, and the challenge is the changing challenge name something. Yeah, so like that. Or we can do the changing hat game. By the way we start, we're going to change hats while starting the game, while the countdown for the game. So I guess this is not working, so I'm gonna leave the game. Oh yeah, and I'm playing with my brother. Let's do 3 imposters. Let's find the lowest one. Okay, English. What the heck? Let's wait for my brother to join. Okay, my brothers and boys. First set we're starting off is the egg. KG Dragon. Who's KG Dragon? Left the game. What is it? Gonna be more fun. KK, I'll be your friend. KK. Yeah, let's start. Start. Okay, there. Start off this. So let's go. Maybe. I think it's Kian. Queen, not Kian. I said it's Kian. I'm going to skip it because I didn't see anything. Wait, what did Black. Wait, Black is not imposter. I know it's not. I was imposter. I was I will kill the one that's sus to me. Oh yeah, let's go to admin. Ooh. Let's do this one. Ah, how did I get stuck there? Go green. Blue. I'm annoyed with this.
I think it's dark green. Let's vote him. Wow, that's a lot of people. Ha.
Got him. Let's go.
I want to follow you. Where are you?
Wait, what? Oh yeah, security.
I'm going to follow you because I'm sus on you.
What do you mean?
He said black. He said it's
Wait.
black.
Black's dead.
Yeah. Maybe it's Kian. I want to skip vote.
Black's dead.
But how is he dead? He's an X.
How
Not any.
are we get?
Yay! I win!
My bro's imposter the whole time.
Aha!
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding. Because of my handsomeness is my goodness.
Okay, we're starting.
I hope I'm not a
Oh yeah, I forgot hat.
Imposter again!
Okay, now I know it's you. And you just say it to the whole YouTube.
Oh, why? You're making me embarrassing.
Vote dark green.
What? Someone said it's brown?
Oh, dark green, please. Ryan, I got a bad idea for you. You gotta kill red because. Goodbye, Ryan. Okay, I'm leaving the game.
Yeah, me too. This is so boring.
I want to exit the game. And then I'll join a game with one imposter so my bro won't get it.
What? Seriously?
Mash.
What is the code? Hurry up. MBGEBS. Yep, only one people left.
Yes.
My
Let's go.
brother has joined. I'm going to say,
Oh yeah, I forgot hat. No, I almost forgot about a hat.
and the crewmate. I think is that wizard hat. Okay, I'm going to admin. My task is at
Swipe card. Yeah. Let's see if we can do it first try. Oh my god, I just did it first try.
I was about to swipe my card.
Who was it? Ooh. Amen.
Amen.
Vote orange, please. He's sus.
Pumbaa.
What?
Aman? Let's see. Yes!
That was a quick game.
Yeah, quit. Why did I just quit? Nothing, hurry!
NVG. That's okay.
Huh? I'm at Asia. Do it again. N.
NVGEBF. You're not in.
Oh, my bestie.
Oh my god! Huh? Why did I disconnect? What do you mean?
What? The game already started. Okay, I feel bad. So I'm going to leave. Code. Please. DYDMF. Hey,
Start. What?
The hot girl does leave. Isn't that obvious? Not the zombie. Not the zomb. Because that's his Roblox name.
Okay, now I forgot to change me hat. Yeah. Hi.
That girl doesn't use the PS.
What do you mean PS? PC. What the heck? Voting time.
Then can you change the speed? For me, it's too fast. Can you change the speed? A little bit faster. We're going so slow. We're going so slow, Dodger. That's too fast. There, this is the normal way. I wish we had a pet. That little mini crewmate. Da-na-na-da. 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 Da-na-na-da.
That Blackpink song. Yes.